The Himalayas are known the world over as a pristine landscape of immense beauty. It is inhabited by fascinating cultures that have evolved through millenniums. This is a dream trekking and hiking destination. We all know that, and that is quite correct. We care little, though, of the other significant facets of the Himalayas. The Himalayas are the water towers of Asia, and unlike the fresh water deposited in the form of ice at polar regions, the water from the Himalayas are available to mankind for use. It provides water for daily use to more than 1.3 billion people. The health of the Himalayas are critical in regulating the weather systems and therefore the ecology of a large part of Asia. Today, the societies and countries inhabiting the northern and southern watersheds of the Himalayan rivers are the fastest growing economies of the world. If something were to go wrong with the Himalayas, it would have significant ramifications on the global economic growth. It indeed is astonishingly beautiful, yet at the same time, it is an economic asset the world cannot afford to ignore. More so at a time when preponderance of scientific evidence and a sea of anecdotal accounts suggest that the people and the biodiversity of the Himalayas are in danger because of climate change, more than most other places in the world. Ironically, people living in the Himalayas have hardly made any contribution to the global warming. The governments, their development partners, and scores of non-profit organizations are trying to arrest the deteriorating situation on the ground in the Himalayas, but to little avail. The challenges are humongous. Increasingly, it appears that they need entrepreneurial interventions more than the charitable ones. The Himalayas are home to globally significant biodiversity, a huge resource for high-quality herbs and medicinal plants that drive industries worth billions of dollars globally. The Himalayas are heaven for harnessing renewable green energy, not just hydropower, but solar, wind, and biomass too. The potential of sustainable tourism, particularly for the high-end tourists, have remained largely untapped in the Himalayas. The breathtaking landscapes and fascinating cultures in the Himalayas are still to be explored by a world that has no dearth of people ready to pay any sum of money to be amidst such pristine surroundings. With the spiritual richness it possesses, it can be home to world-class educational institutions, bringing Eastern philosophies and Western management tools together in smart ways. Its climatic diversity, owing to its extreme geography intertwined with millennium-old civilizations, could be a boon for climate and other social scientists if they could be brought together by global institutions. The list could go on and on. Nepal's location between the two fastest growing markets, China and India, makes it a dream investment destination for any corporation that wants to tap these markets. Private sector must play a leading role in bringing smart solutions to the climate-threatened people in the Himalayas. Solutions that would be good not just for the communities, but also for the investing entrepreneurs. Smart investments in the Himalayas are just not capable of giving back handsome returns to the investors. They would also earn global accolades for the entrepreneurs. It is time to look at the Himalayas for smart investments. We all must enjoy the majesty of the Himalayas, yet we must also look at it beyond its aesthetic value.